Yeah, good morning. So shall we start the class? Yeah, so let's wait for 2 more minutes. Yeah. So have you done the assignments? So you got the solutions or any doubts in that? So definitely discuss. So once we are done with the topic, what we are discussing right now. So once we are done with the topic, so we'll discuss about the remaining topics there. Okay, so we will check the assignments also. Right. So how many of you are done? So Chesara, solve Chesara.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got the answers like so now అన్ని వచ్చాయి maximum. So please respond. So online class is not for just logging in and logging out. Just please respond.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So let's see if you have any notes. Just post in your chats. Okay. So I'll check. I mean, we'll see a new. I mean, we'll see a concept now. So after this concept, if we have time, we'll check the assignment problems. Right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So we'll check the concept called as prime implicants. Okay, so prime implicants. With respect to Kmaps only. Okay, so prime implicants with respect to Kmaps. Okay, so coming to this prime implicants, before going to this prime implicants, in choosing adjacent squares, that is in grouping. Okay, so that is in grouping in a map. So you have to keep these things in mind. So we must ensure that these things should be ensured here. So all the minterms are covered. When we combine the squares. So to make sure that all the minterms are covered. Okay, so when we are going to cover the squares, so don't care. So that is not the term minterm here. So don't care terms, there is no need to cover all the don't care terms. Okay, and but minterms, all of them should be covered. Okay, right, and the number of terms in the expression is minimized. Okay, so we have to make sure that whatever grouping we are doing, so there should be proper minimization there. Okay, so with more minimization, if it is, if the grouping is making the things complex, then don't go for the grouping. So if the I mean, we will be having different kinds of grouping there. So if one grouping is giving the minimized expression further compared to the another, so we'll prefer the later one. Okay, so we'll prefer the grouping which use the minimized expression. So compared to the other grouping. Okay, so that is the second things we have to check here. So while grouping, and there are no redundant terms. There are no. So this is the definition here. So redundant, I'll give the definition of redundant. Redundant. There are no redundant terms. So that is okay. So there is nothing but okay. So min terms already covered by other terms. I mean, so overlapping. So whatever we spoke, so that is about the overlapping of the min terms. So min terms and overlapping put that grouping should at least cover one uncovered min term. Okay, so redundant in the sense, so we have to make sure that so that there are no overlapping kind of grouping here. Okay, so if the min term is covered by one group, another min term is covered by another group. So if I go on grouping those two, so then it is useless. Okay, so that is called as redundant here. So redundancy. So redundancy is nothing but so grouping the min terms, so which are already in the other groups, which are already grouped in the other groups here. Okay, so that is the care that has to be taken here. Okay, and coming to the definition of prime implicant. Okay, so or whatever the terms we get after grouping here, so those are called as the prime implicants. Okay, for example, we have a quad. So when we are having a quad, two literals are eliminated. Okay, so that eliminated, I mean, that expression after the simplification is called as a prime implicant. Okay, so prime implicant, the product term. So that is a product term. So we will obtain the product term obtained by combining maximum. So because you'll get across some problems, so you may ask about so list out the prime implicants, okay, and so mention what are essential enter. Okay, so you have to know this term also. A prime implicant is a product term obtained by combining maximum possible number of adjacent squares. Okay, so in the map. Okay, so always I told you, so whenever if I have a 16, that is 4 variable Kmaps, so first of all, the first preference should be given to all the 16 squares. If there is all the possibility of grouping all the 16 squares, then group that. So then the output will be 1 for all the grouping all the 16 squares. If not, go for the octet. So only we have to check for the highest possible groupings here. Okay, that is what we are saying here. The prime implicant is a product term that is obtained by grouping here. So grouping maximum number of adjacent squares. Okay, so maximum number of adjacent squares ni combine చేసిన తర్వాత వచ్చే product term it is called as the prime implicant here. Okay, so maximum number of adjacent squares. So we are combining maximum number of min terms here. So min terms are covered here. So to form a product term here, the product term is called as a prime implicant. Okay, so whatever the product term we get, each one is a prime implicant. Okay, each one is a prime implicant there. Okay, and I want to say, so I want to give a definition of essential prime implicant. So you may be asked like, so what are essential prime implicants in this reduction network? Okay, so then we have to check the essential prime implicants also. If a min term in a square is covered by if a min term in a square is covered by only one prime implicant. that prime implicant is said to be essential prime implicant. Okay. For example, I want to say this. So there is the things like this. So one min-term grouping, min-terms. So 0, 1, 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3 is forming a quad. Okay, 0, 4, 1 is forming a quad here, and the value is like AB. Okay, so we'll get AB here. So this is AB is called as, so forms a quad here. So forms a quad. Okay, and so the output is like AB. So AB is called as prime implicant here. So this AB is prime implicant. Okay, so forget about the spelling mistakes. So this AB, so we'll check. So I'll let you know. And in terms, so this for example means in terms 3, 7, comma 7, comma 11, comma 15. So forms another quad. Okay, and so which is, so I'll give it as CD. So whatever the term. Okay, and so 8, comma 9 forms a pair antanu. So ఏదో ఒకటి value A, B bar C something. So ఏదో value వచ్చింది అనుకుందాం. Okay, so what we have to check here is, so each and every term is an essential prime implicant here. So this product term is a prime implicant, this product term is a prime implicant, this product term is a prime implicant here. So we have to check which one is essential prime implicant. Okay, so for this we have to check the min terms here. So check the min terms, so which are covered by only one group. Okay, which are covered by only one group. So if I want to say this is an example, so wait. So this is what I mean to say here is 0, 1, 2, comma 0, wait, 0, 1. So grouping, so we will take that with the example. So right now I can't explain like here. So this is the prime implicant here. So this, if a min term in a square is covered by only one prime implicant, then that prime implicant is said to be essential prime implicant here. Okay, so these are the prime implicants here. Okay, so we have to check the min terms which are covering this prime implicant. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So is there any like 0 is covered by only this prime implicant AB here? Okay, so 1 is covered by only this prime implicant AB here. So 2 is covered by this prime implicant AB. Okay, so hence AB is essential here. Okay, so if there is at least one prime implicant, okay, if there is at least one prime implicant, I mean one min term covered by only one prime implicant. Okay, so oka min term oka prime implicant ne cover chestundi. So what are prime implicants here? These are product terms which are covered by grouping maximum number of the min terms here. So this is the essential prime implicant 1, sorry, this is the prime implicant 1, this is the prime implicant 2, and this is the prime implicant 3. Okay, and what we have to check here is, so we have to check the min terms, so which is covered by only one prime implicant. So 0, 1, 2 or the min terms which are covered by, so only this prime implicant called as AB. Okay, and coming to this term 8, 9 is covered by only the prime implicant ABC, AB bar C. Okay, so the meaning of this is, so all the prime implicants which we are having are essential. I mean we have to include them in the final sum. Okay, so I'll let you know one more example. So we problem చేసేప్పుడు అర్థమవుతుంది. సో దాంట్లో ఒకటి ఎలిమినేట్ అవుతుంది. So we'll let you know. I'll let you know. Okay, so right now know the definitions of this prime implicants and essential prime implicants. A prime implicant is a product term obtained by grouping maximum number of the min terms here, so that is called as the prime implicant. So all these product terms are called as the prime implicants here. Okay, and coming to this, what is the essential prime implicant means? We have to check the min terms, which is covering by only one prime implicant. Okay, which is covered by only one prime implicant. So then that prime implicant is called as the essential prime implicant. So in this case, so here in this case, so each and every prime implicant is essential because it has min terms, so which is covered by only that specific prime implicant only. So 0, 1, 2 is covered by AB here, so hence AB is essential. So 7, 11, 15 is covered by only this CD here, so hence it is essential. 8, 9 is covered by only this A, B bar C, hence it is essential. So all these three are essential prime implicants. These three should be included in the final sum. So that is what I want to conclude here. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll check one example. Okay, so there we can see whether they're essential or not. Okay, so we'll see which are essential and which are not here. Okay, so we'll take one example and we'll see, because you may be asked, like you may be asked to find the essential prime implicants using Kmap method, and you have to follow this method, the same method which is followed by the earlier examples. But what you have to find out here is we have to find out the essential prime implicants here. Okay, so that is what we have to do. So take down this problem. Take down this problem for the function. So all these problems are your exercise problems, right? The problems which are at the end of your textbook. If possible, you can check equal to sigma of, I'll write like this. So sigma symbol contain sigma of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 16. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 15. Okay, so find all the prime implicants. So the problem will be like this: find all the implicants and indicate which are essential to Kmap. Okay, so he'll be known, like so if there's another method, so he'll be definitely given that another method, but Kmap method you have to find the normal method only. Like, so draw the Kmap and find out the prime implicants first. So prime implicants and the product terms ante. So product terms gonna go ante. So draw the Kmap first. So WXYZ, so WX 0 1 1 1 1 0. Right, and this is YZ 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, and you know the minterms. So M0, M1. So you have to do this for every problem.
M3.
Yeah. So M3, M2. So M4,
M4, M5,
M7, and
M6,
so here in the last column it is M8, M M9, M11, and M10.
M10,
This is M12, M13, M15.
M15, M14.
Yeah, very good. So this I have to do this. So because you have to avoid the confusion, you have to practice it because because you should know that. So each minterm ఎక్కడుందని practice అయిపోతుంది మీకు. So you do this regularly, okay? And first of all, so what are the minterms? So మీ 2 minutes లో నాకు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పేట్టు ఉండాలి, అంత ఫాస్ట్ గా నేర్చుకోవాలి, right? So what are the minterms here? So 0. Okay, so 0 it's 1, and 1 it's a 1, and 3 it's a 1, and 4 it's 1, 6 it's 1, 7, 8, and we have 9, 11, 15. Okay, so there is a thing here. So what we have to do? So we have to do the groupings here.
So 2 కూడా ఉంది.
2 కూడా ఉందా? Yeah.
Sir, 2 కూడా ఉంది, sir.
Oh yeah.
Sir, someone are waiting.
Waiting. Done? Join? Yeah. Okay, so if yeah, this is the thing here, and so these are the terms here. So what we have to do? We have to go for the grouping here. So grouping the terms. Okay, so maximum possible things. So first of all, octet possibility on the octet possibility ledu. Okay, so we have quads here. So what we can do, we can group with the quads here. So this is the quad, we can check here. So this is one quad. Okay, so that is one quad. So quad 1. So minterms. So what are the minterms here? So minterms 3, 7, 11, 15 forms a quad. Okay, it forms a quad, right? So what is the term there? So what is the product term there? So what is the row term? So all the rows are covered here. Okay, so all the rows are covered. So what is the term here? So the column term is this one. So YZ. Okay, so it is equal to YZ. So this is one prime implicant. Okay, this is the first prime implicant. So I told you the definition of prime implicant, right? So the product term which is obtained by grouping maximum number of adjacent squares here. So this is the first prime implicant. Okay, so that is the first prime implicant, and coming to the second one. So we can group. So this one. So M0, M1, M2, and M3. So this is the second prime implicant which is formed by min terms 0, 1, 2, 3. So forms a quad. Okay, so the prime implicant is, so what is the column term here? So, I mean row term here. So row term is only one row is covered here. So that is W bar Z X bar here.
W bar X bar.
And all the columns are collected.
W bar
One
X
term
bar.
is 1 here. Yeah, W bar X bar. Okay, that is the second prime implicant here. Okay, and coming to the next possibility. So what is the next possibility we can check here? Is there any possibility?
3 to 7, 6. Quad form out.
Yeah, 3 to 7 and 6. So inko possibility emanunda?
0 to 4, 6.
Yeah, 0 to 4, 6. Yeah. So this 2 and this 2 can also be formed. Okay. But
0189, sir.
0189, sir.
0189.
89, sir.
Yeah, that is also one quad here. And here in the ఒకరు చెప్పారు నాకు 3726 అని చెప్పారు. But 3726 కంటే నేను ఇది ప్రిఫర్ చేస్తాను, M0, M4, M2 and M6, because it is covering two uncovered midterms here. So M4 cover చేస్తాను. Okay, so I'll prefer this one. So no problem కదా? Yeah. So I'll prefer this 2 and this 2. So which will form a quad here. So min terms 0, 2, 4, 6 forms a quad. Okay, so what is the product term for this? So what is the row term for this? So row term check cheyandi. So row term enti? So ee rendu rows compare cheste em vastundi manaku? The value is
W bar.
W bar. Yeah. And what is the column term? So what we have to check these two columns here.
Z bar. Z bar.
So it is nothing but Z bar. So W bar, Z bar. So this is the third essential prime implicant. Okay, this is the third essential prime implicant. And we can form the next one.
0189, sir.
0189.
Yeah, this is the one here. 01. So 0189. Okay, so these two can form these four can form a quad here. Okay, so min terms 0, 1, 8, 9. Okay, so forms a quad. Okay, so what is that value here? 0189. So we have to check the row term here. So this term and this term.
X bar.
X bar. And these two columns here. So these two columns, it is nothing but Y bar. So X bar and Y bar. Okay. So any other quad possible now? Again, possibility on the send 1, 2, 3 and 4.
4, sir.
Yeah, any other thing? Inkemanna possibility unda?
No, sir.
Yeah. So in case, so generally what I told you, like if I form a quad like this, so earlier meer edo chepparu kada something in case. So సో జనరల్ గా ఏంటంటే ఇలా చేసేస్తాం మనం, ఎందుకంటే ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఇది చేస్తాం. సో జనరల్ గా ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లో తీసుకుంటే, సో ఇన్ కేస్ మీరు ఒకవేళ ఇది తీసుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, ఓకే. సో ఇఫ్ ఐ టేకెన్ దిస్ గ్రూపింగ్, okay, so 2 3 and 6 7, okay. So 2 3 and 6 7 తీసుకుంటే, so it will not come under essential. So we can check that, I mean, so ఇలా చేయొద్దు డెఫినెట్ గా, బట్ ఏంటంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, సో మీరు ఇన్ కేస్ 2 3 6 7 తీసుకుంటే ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ టర్మ్ వస్తుంది, అది ఎసెన్షియల్ దీంట్లో we can eliminate that, okay. So we're taking it for example here, okay. So just I'll not group that, but so we are taking it as an checking purpose. So min terms, so 2 comma 3 comma 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 forms acquired, okay. So forms acquired, and what is the term here? So that term will be
W
W
bar
bar
Y
by
bar. W bar Y.
W bar by.
yeah, okay. So now what we'll check here is, so we'll check each and every term here. We'll tell them whether it is essential or not. Okay. So check here. So what are the min terms covered by this YZ here? So YZ A min terms covered చేస్తుంది. So 3, it is covering 3. So which is already in the group. So and 7 వేరే group లో ఉందా? Yeah, it is already in the other group. And 11, check the 11 here. So 11 వేరే group లో ఉందా?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not in the groups here. So hence this YZ is essential, and this YZ is essential. Okay. So మన గ్రూపింగ్ ఎలా అలవాటు చేసుకున్నామంటే అన్ని ఎసెన్షియల్ తీసుకుంటాం, బట్ ఇది ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్. జనరల్ గా యూ కెన్ ఇండికేట్ దట్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆస్క్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జామ్, యూ కెన్ ఇండికేట్ దట్ సో విచ్ ఆర్ ఎసెన్షియల్ అండ్ విచ్ ఆర్ నాట్. Okay. So if I get all of them are essential, grouping lo it's fine. Okay. And check the next one is here. So the main concept of taking these essential prime implicants is to make sure that we are not taking the overlapped ones. Okay. So we grouping చేసినప్పుడు, so in case ఏదైనా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలంటే మీకు అన్ని ఎసెన్షియల్ వస్తే your grouping is correct. If అన్ని కరెక్ట్ రాకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది అంటే your grouping is wrong. So what happens here? So we can eliminate that unnecessary thing there. So overlapped one eliminate చేసుకోవచ్చు మనం. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes,
So
sir.
why the concept of essential prime implicants is, so we can find out so whether we are done a grouping wrong here. I mean, we are doing any kind of grouping, so which is already overlapped. Okay, so that is the main purpose of this here. Okay, and check the min terms here. 0 is already covered, and 1 is already covered here. So 1 is already covered. So 2 is already covered. Okay, so 2 is already covered, and so coming to the next one. So what is 0 1 2 3 nena?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 3 is already covered. 3 covered in the already. Go that low. Yeah, 2 covered. 3 covered.
Yes, sir.
Hence W bar X bar is not essential. So this is not essential because all the min terms are covered by another terms here. Okay. So hence it is not essential. So we'll not include that in the final sum. So this is included. Okay, because 0 1 2 3 are the min terms which are covered by each and every group here. Okay, so hence so this min term is not essential. Clear?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And check the
Yes,
min
sir.
term here. So 0 to 4 6. So 0 to 4 6. 0 is already covered. 2 is already covered. So 4 and 6.
Essentials.
So 4 is not covered here. So hence it is essential one. Okay. So hence it is an essential. So mention them as essential here. Okay. And 0 1 8 9. So 0 is covered, 1 is covered, but 8 and 9 are not covered here. So it is also essential. And definitely this is not going to be essential because 2 3 6 7 already manam cheyemu, but general ga, so this is also not essential here. So only 3 are essential. So what are the essential ones here? So YZ plus W bar Z bar
W
plus
bar Z bar
X
X
bar
bar Y bar.
Okay, so these are three are the essential prime implicants. You know that. So these three are the essential prime implicants: YZ, W bar Z bar, and X bar Y bar. So the final expression of T of W X Y Z will be like this. So T of W X Y Z, the minimized expression will be equal to. So we maintain all this. So we mention all this. So YZ plus. So W bar X bar. Sorry, not W bar X bar. YZ plus. So W bar Z
W bar
bar
Z bar.
plus X bar Y bar. Okay, so that will be the final sum. So you got the concept right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if తీసుకోపోయినా కూడా మనకేం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. In case if you don't take this also. So generally prefer the grouping in such a way that so the grouping is done with the maximum number of terms here, and don't make sure, I mean, so redundant groups ni lekunda chuskondi. In case if you want to check your grouping is correct, okay, so go for this concept of essential prime implicants. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
Yeah. So take the next problem in the same model. So you do this. So find all the prime implicants for the following Boolean functions and determine which are essential. Okay, that is f of f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to, so sigma of 0 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8 comma 10 comma 11 comma 14 comma 15. 0 2 3 5 7 8 10 11 14 15. So find the prime implicants and tell me which are essential. So using Kmap. So this is using Kmap. Sorry. Okay, so the midterms. So me rasa but I'll be just going directly here. So 0, 2, 3, 5. This is 5. This is 7. This is 8, 10, 11, 14, and 15. Okay, I think I got a message like Chesa Ankunta. So no problem.
YZ B bar D bar, sir.
So B bar. So we'll do the groupings like so A, B, C, D. So these are the terms here. Yeah. So first of all, octet possibility ledu. Okay. So go for the quad. So this is 1. And next inko quad one possibility in the manaki inko quad. So this is 1 quad.
0 to 8 10, sir.
0 to 8 10, sir.
0
0.
to 8 10.
So this is 0. This is 2. 8. Very good. Because I go to bed kunaro. Okay.
10, sir.
So 0 to 8, 10. So this is another quad. Okay. So inka.
10, 11, 14, 15, sir.
So 10, 11, 14, 15. So ida.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 10, 11, 14, 15. Okay. And what are things we are left over? So this is already there, right? Yeah. So we are left over with 1 pair. So 3 quads, 1 pair. And they
Yes, sir.
So we'll be having 3 quads or 4 quads.
3, sir.
Yeah. 3 quads and 1 pair.
1 pair.
Okay. So the first quad is like 3, 7, 11, 15. So 3, 7, 11, 15 ఈ క్వాడ్ మీరు కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ ఏం డేట్ గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి అంటే సో మీరు ఆ మిన్ టర్మ్స్ ఉంటే ఆ టర్మ్స్ గుర్తు పెట్టేసుకోవాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ఐ సే దట్ 3, 7, 11, 15 you should remember that the quad is like CD. Okay, so it is like 0, 1, 2, 3, it is like A bar, B bar. So ఇవన్నీ కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే తొందరగా రాసేస్తారు. And coming to this one, so 0, 2, 8 and 10. So we'll form another quad. So what is the 0 to 8 and 10?
D bar, sir.
D bar, D bar.
D bar, D bar. So the main concept is row term into column term. So row term lo select చేసుకోవాలి, column term lo select చేసుకోవాలి. So ఏవైతే కామన్ ఉన్నాయో అట్లే ఉంటాయి. Okay, so ఏవైతే చేంజ్ అవుతున్నాయో అవి 1 అవుతాయి కాబట్టి no need to include them in the final sum. So that is a concept you have to remember. Okay, so next this quad. So this quad, what is that quad here? So it is
10, 11, 14, 15, sir.
10, 11,
14, 15.
so 10, 11, 14, 15. So 10, 11, 14, 15. So what is the value?
AC, sir.
B bar C, sir.
AC, sir.
AC, sir.
Yeah, row term and column term. So row term check చేయండి ఎవరో కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయినట్టున్నారు. So row term and column term, so 2 rows. Okay, so 2 rows ఏది కామన్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ A here. Okay, and column terms, so these two. So column terms ఏది కామన్ ఉంది, ఇది కామన్ ఉంది. So it's AC. Okay, so
Sir, AC, sir.
yeah. Okay, so practice చేయండి, you'll not get confused. Okay, and we have 3 quads and 1 pair. So pair is 5 and 7. So 5, 7.
A bar, BD, sir.
So A bar BD. It's A bar BD because the row term is this one. So only one row term. So we have to select all these things. A bar B. and these two columns here. So these two columns lo ఏది కామన్ ఉంది మనకు D. So A bar BD. Okay. Now we have to find which are essential. Okay. So 3 is not covered by any other prime implicant. So these are the prime implicants here: CD, B bar, D bar, AC, and A bar BD. Okay. And you can check here. So 3 is not covered by any other groups. 7 is already covered, but it's okay. ఒకటి min term cover అయినా కూడా అది essential అవుతుంది. Okay. So if 3 is only covered by CD, so hence it is essential. So CD is essential. So CD is essential prime implicant. Okay. And coming to 0 to 80, so 0 is only covered. So you can check only 1 year. So 0 is only covered by this min term here. Hence this is also essential. Okay. And coming to 10, 11, 14, 15. So 10, 11, 14, 15. So 10 is only covered by this one. Okay. So 10 and 14 are only covered by AC. And this is also essential. Okay. And coming to next one, 5, 7.
Not
So 5 is not covered. Obviously 7 covered and got 5 is not covered. So this is also essential. So all of them are essential here. So all of them should be included in the final sum. Okay. So all the terms should be included in the final sum. So f of ABCD is equal to summation of all this. Summation of the prime implicant. So CD plus B bar D bar plus AC plus A bar BD. Clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So Nina problems ఏమైనా doubts ఉన్నాయా? So let me know. So Nina problems లో ఏమైనా discuss చేసిన అట్లా doubts ఉన్నాయా? So I'll do randomly. And so 1 or 2 చేస్తాను because you are familiar with this Kmaps concept right now. Okay. So any doubts ఉంటే check చేసుకోండి. Okay. I'll do it randomly. సో ఏదైనా స్పెసిఫిక్ గా అంటే చెప్పండి. సో ఇది సాల్వ్ చేయని చెప్పండి.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'll do the random ones. So if you want any specific solution, so then definitely I'll go for that. Okay. Yeah. So what is the answer of so I'll let you know the answers like so wait. Yesterday I don't know that right. So you tell me the answers, I'll let you know whether it is correct or not. Wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. So what is the minimization for first one? So what is the answer of first one? So చేశారా అది?
No, sir.
Why?
X plus XY sir answer.
X plus XY. No. I told you to use these don't cares also. I told you to solve this. So answer is 1. Yeah. So wait. So mix చేసినట్లేదు. I'll so solve it fastly. So wait a minute. So print screen. Where is print screen? Wait. Yeah. Okay. So these are the problems here. So what is the first one? So f of x, y, z is equal to. So I'll straightly draw the Kmap here. So wait a minute. So we'll make it fast. So parallel కొంచెం time పట్టినా పర్లేదు, but I want you to solve all the problems. Okay. So one is the correct answer. So someone told. because it is covering all the midterms. So f of x by z means, so only we'll be having 8 midterms here. Okay, and so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what are the midterms here? So sigma 2, 3. So 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So our ones here, and don't gates are 0, 1, 5. So 0, 1, and 5. Okay. So I told you like don't gates. So if there is grouping is like maximum, so we can use all the don't gates. So we can group all the terms here because don't gates can also be used here. So when grouping all, so definitely it is equal to 1. So f is equal to 1 here. The solution for first one is 1. F is equal to 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and so we'll see the second one. We'll see the second one. So it is a 4 variable Kmap. 1, okay, and this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so these are the terms here. So what are the terms here? So 0, 6. So we have the terms 0, 6. What is another term? 8, 13, 14. Yeah, these are the normal terms here, and don't get terms are 2, 4, 10. So this is 2, this is 4, and this is 10. Sorry, don't care, Gada. So 2, 4 is don't care, and 2 is also don't care. Put a cross mark. Okay. So here, what I can do? So here, so I can take form 1 quad here. So what is this quad term here? So what is this term here? So this is AB, and this is CD. So 0, 0, 0, 1, so 1, 1, so 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So what is this term here?
CD bar.
CD bar. Okay. And what are the other terms we can group here? Say group J.
0 to 8, 10.
0 to
8, 10.
yeah, 0 to 8, 10. Yeah. So that is also can be formed here. So this is 0 to and 8, 10 can form a quad. So what is the term here? So E rows is A bar. Okay. And what is the column? The column is D bar.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 0 to 8 10. Sir.
Yeah, 0 to 8, 10 only. So 0 to 8, 10. So A bar, D bar. So not A bar, D bar. A bar, D bar है ना? 0 to
2, 4, 6 के sir.
0 to 8, 10 ना? So wait.
D bar, D bar.
1 minute.
D bar వస్తుంది.
This is not possible here because ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు 0 to 8 10 don't k ని కవర్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో don't k ని కవర్ చేసే కంటే సో 0 to 8 10 is better. Yeah. So what is 0 to here? Yeah. So this 0 2, 8 and 10. So sorry for that. So 0 to 8 and cover the same ocean manako. So B bar,
D bar, D bar.
D bar, D bar. Okay. So don't get maximum takko use cheyandi. So don't get me only grouping the use అవుతుందంటే యూజ్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ don't get use చేస్తాం because it is forming a quad here. Okay. And so we had left for with 1 year, so which cannot be grouped with anyone. So దేంతో గ్రూప్ చేయలేము అంతే కదా. సో దేంతో గ్రూప్ చేయొచ్చా దీన్ని?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so that should be included. So even we should not, I mean, what I told you is like each and every midterm is covered, so that should also be included in the final sum here. So what is M13? So M13 ante 8421. So I mean 8401, so that 1101. So 1101 ante is AB,
D, C bar, D.
C bar, D.
Sir, can we do 0 to 46, sir?
0 to 46. యా, ఎందుకు చేయలేదు, ఇందాక చేశాను నేను. ఎందుకు చేయలేదు అంటే మనం డోంట్ కేర్ కింద ప్రయారిటీ ఇవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. మన డోంట్ కేర్ కి దీన్ని గ్రూప్ చేయడానికి మనం వేరే గ్రూపింగ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు.
Okay, sir.
ఇఫ్ ఐ ప్రిఫర్ దిస్ వన్, సో ఏమవుతుంది, నేను డోంట్ కేర్ కి ప్రయారిటీ ఇచ్చినట్టు. సో డోంట్ కేర్ అనే టర్మ్ మనం ఏం యూజ్ చేయకూడదు దాన్ని నేను. ఓకే,
Okay, sir.
సో మామూలు జనరల్ చెప్తారు లైక్, సో వెన్ వి ఫైండ్ లైక్ ఇన్ ఏ కర్రీ, ఇఫ్ ఐ ఫౌండ్ లైక్ కరివేపాకు తీసి పడేసిన తీసేయాలి దాన్ని అంతే. లైక్ డోంట్ కేర్ యూజ్ చేయకూడదు దాన్ని, రైట్?
Okay, sir.
అవసరం ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే వాడుకోవాలి, రైట్? సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ నెసరీ, we should not use them, we should not touch them at all, right? So this is the final sum here. So C bar, D bar, B bar, D bar, and A, B, C bar, D. Okay, so I'm just మీకు అంత డీటెయిల్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు, చాలా మంది క్లాస్ వినల్ వల్ల నాకు తెలుసు. బట్ సో ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ఇన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీరు ఫాస్ట్ గా చేయాలని చెప్తున్నాను ఇది. ఓకే, యూ షుడ్ డూ ఇట్ ఫాస్ట్, రైట్? సో those are the answers, like B bar, D bar, C, D bar, and A, B, C bar, D. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir.
sir.
Yeah, and what is the next one here? So next problem, f of a, b, c, d. Wait. So we're left with these two problems. Okay, and solve Jane.
B, sir.
So you got straight away got the answer. So the answer is B. Yeah, very good. So B is the right answer. So you people are too fast than me. Then very good. Yeah. So what are the terms here? So 4, 5, 6, 7. So where is 4 here? So this is, sorry. This is 4. This is 5. And this is 6. And this is 7. Sorry. Yeah, 6, 7. Yeah. And 12, 13, 14. So this is 12. This is 13. This is 14. And don't care are 1, 9, 11, 15. So where is 1? So this is don't care. 1, 9. So where is 9? So here it is a don't care. 11, 15. So this is 15 and this is 11. Okay. So use the don't cares whenever they are essential. So what I can do here is I can form an octet. Okay, and don't use this don't cares. Mikta em ones le got emotion ledu. So this is AB and this is CD. So 0, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 2 rows are selected here. So 2 rows select చేసుకుంటే ఏమొచ్చింది మనకు? So we got a B from this 2 rows. And what is the column? All the columns are selected, so column value is 1. So the answer is equal to B here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and so I'll tell you the answer for next one. So you can solve that. So A bar, so B bar
B bar,
plus B bar, D bar,
D bar, D bar.
yeah, plus ABC.
ABCD.
Yeah, so that is the answer for the last one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next కూడా చేశారా? No problem. We'll solve it and we'll stop this Kmaps concepts అన్ని ఇంకా Kmaps లో ఇవే కాన్సెప్ట్స్ వచ్చేది బట్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ మినిమైజేషన్ వచ్చే యూనిట్స్ అన్ని కూడా మీకు వచ్చే కొత్త యూనిట్స్ అన్ని కూడా సో మీరు ఏది మినిమైజేషన్ చేసినా కూడా Kmap యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్. So we'll see one. Don't go for third problem. So inko model undi adi రేపు చూద్దాం. So sum of products model undi. So that we'll check tomorrow. Okay. So that is the only model. We'll see only two problems in that model because every time so go for this ఈ మోడల్ కి ప్రిఫర్ చేయండి. సో అడిగే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా ఇట్లే ఉంటాయి. బట్ ఏదైనా వేరే కైండ్ ఆఫ్ దీంట్లో అడిగినా కూడా మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో సో ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో లైక్ చెప్తాను బట్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ప్రిఫర్ చేయండి. ఇఫ్ యూ గివెన్ దట్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ సమ్స్ జస్ట్ కన్వర్ట్ దెమ్. సో రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో దాని సమ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకొని ఆన్సర్ వస్తే నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, సో ఆన్సర్ రాలేదు అంటే ప్రిఫర్ దట్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ మెథడ్స్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, సో ఐ లెట్ యు నో. సో ఇంకో మెథడ్ అది రేపు చెక్ చేద్దాము. Okay, so we'll check the first one. So when is the next class?
Python class.
ఏమా 10 పైనే కదా క్లాస్, ఇప్పుడు ఏం లేదు కదా, ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ ఏం లేదు కదా.
No, sir.
ఎస్ షూర్, ఐ మీన్ మోమాటం ఏం లేదు, లైక్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి ఉందని, లేకుంటే లేదు అంతే. రైట్, సో విల్ సాల్వ్ దిస్ అండ్ విల్ లీవ్. So wait a minute. Fine. Yeah, so solve this first one. కొంచెం జూమ్ తగ్గిస్తాను, కనిపిస్తుందో చెప్పండి నాకు ఒకసారి.
ఓకే సార్.
This problem with this zoom. So no problem. So what we'll do, we'll check the first one here. Yeah. So కొంచెం చిన్నగా చేస్తాను, బట్ try to if it's not visible, let me know, because already know the concept. Visible ఉంటుంది మన కాన్సెప్ట్ తెలిసిన తర్వాత. కొంచెం చిన్నగా రాసినా కూడా you will definitely understand that, right? So now what we have to check here is, so this is AB, this is CD. So we have to find the minimized equation and we have to find the min terms here. So 0 0 0 1, so 1 0 1 1, 0 0 0
1 1 1 0, sir.
1 1 0.
yeah, sorry. Zero, 1, 1, 1, and 1 0. Okay, so what is the first term I have to do? So A bar, B bar, C. So I need the terms A bar, B bar ekkada undi manaku. So this is A bar, B bar, and I need only C. So C ekkada ravali manaku. So C ekkada nunchi vastundi, C term ekkada undi manaku. Ee rendu group cheste vastundi.
empty.
Okay, so row term is this one and column term is grouping these two. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is 1 and 1. Okay, clear? So next AC. సో దీంట్లో ఏ రావాలి, సో దీంట్లో సి రావాలి. సో ఏ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది, ఏ రెండు గ్రూప్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. ఏ 2 rows గ్రూప్ చేస్తే ఏసీ వస్తుంది మనకు. సో రిమెంబర్ దట్, సో 4 ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏబిసిడి ఉంది. ఏబిసిడి లో మనకు అన్ని 4 వస్తే సింగిల్ మిన్ టర్మ్ అని, సో ఏం గ్రూపింగ్ లేదని. సో 3 మిన్ టర్మ్స్ వచ్చినాయి, ఐ మీన్ 3 లిటరల్స్ వస్తే దట్ ఈస్ పేర్. ఓకే, సో 2 లిటరల్స్ వస్తే ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ క్వాడ్. Okay, 2 literals వస్తే it is a quad, so that you have to remember. Okay, so we have AC, it's a quad, so we have to form a quad. So quad అంటే, so A term row లో ఉండాలి, column term లో C ఉండాలి. So A term లో row రావాలంటే, row term లో A రావాలంటే, so this is last
1 1 and 1 0.
okay, last 2 columns.
1 1 1.
Yeah,
12.
15, 14, 11, sir.
yeah, the last 2 columns లో ఉంటుంది మన టర్మ్. మనకి ఇంకోటి C రావాలి. సో C ఎక్కడ ఉంది, ఈ లాస్ట్ 2 columns లో ఉంది. Okay, so the E last 2 columns, E last 2 rows. So that is this form. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
grouping these 4 will give AC. Next ACD. So again it's a pair. Again it's a pair. So ACD ante, so A ekkadi nunchi vastundi manaku. So A ekkadi nunchi vastundi, E 2 rows nunchi vastundi, A vastundi. So if I group these two, I'll get a and CD. Where is CD? So this is CD. Okay, this is CD. So already we have this 1 1. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
this is
sir.
CD. So grouping these two will get a CD, but we want to minimize the equation. So there is no additional min term to be added here. Okay, so next ACD bar. So ACD bar. So ACD bar ante, so this is A, fine. Rendu group cheste A vachindi. CD bar ante,
Last 4.
so CD bar ante, this is the one here. Okay, so CD bar, so this two. Okay, ide kada CD bar. So already unnai, manaki em pettalsina avasaram ledhu additional ga. Okay, so fine. And next one enti, A B bar D bar. So where is A B bar D bar? So sorry, A bar B bar D bar. So where is A bar? So grouping these two will give a bar. Ante kada? Sorry, we have A bar. Sorry. We have
10
A
empty.
bar B bar. So A bar B bar ekkada vastundi manaku, ee row. Okay, so we need a D bar. So D bar ela vastundi manaku? So
M1 M3, sir.
Sir, 1 0.
M1 M3.
M1 and M3.
M3.
So we need a D bar there. So D bar కావాల్సింది మనకు. So D bar కావాలి అంటే, so
Zero
A
to
column
seven.
6 చేయాలి.
0 to
So
7.
here it is a D bar. So here it is a D bar, and here it is a D bar. So this one and this one. ఇవి రెండు అర్థమవుతుందా? So what it is, A bar B bar,
0 to 7.
yeah, 0 0 3. So 0 2. Okay, so because A bar B bar D bar, so the row is this one.
Yes.
So A bar B bar, so we need D bar only. So D bar అంటే మనకి 3 terms ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి పేరు కావాలండి ఇక్కడ. So ఈ రెండు చూడండి ఒకసారి, 0 0 and this is 1 0. So this is grouping these two will get a D bar here. So this one and this one. Clear?
Yeah, sir.
Next one is, this is B bar C bar D. So next one, last cut in there. So B bar C bar D here. So B bar C D. Okay. So where I can get B bar here? So B bar ekkadi nunchi vastundi naku? So where I can get a B bar here? So B bars ekkada check cheyandi, ikkada check cheyandi. So this one,
0 0
0
1.
0 1 0.
so grouping these two, I mean these two rows should be selected. So row select ayindi. So ee row select cheste manaku B bar vachindi. Okay. I need CD. So CD ante, so again this one. So third column. So CD. So this one and this one. So there is no need of additional thing here. Okay. So this is the final min terms here. So what are the min terms here? So this is 0, this is 2, 3, and this is 12, 14, 15, and what is this one?
10.
10, 11. So these
11.
are the min terms here. So f of ABCD is equal to min terms are, so 0, 2, 3, so 10, 11, 14, and 15. So now we go for minimization here. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat B bar CD, sir?
You tell me. So B bar CD. నువ్వు చెప్పు. సో అంటే రో టర్మ్ ఏంటి మనకి ఇక్కడ? సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద రో టర్మ్? చెప్పు, రో టర్మ్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ?
B bar, sir.
B bar. రో టర్మ్ అంటే దీంట్లో రోస్ లో AB is a row and CDs are columns, right? సో దీంట్లో B bar
0, 0 and 1, 0, sir.
ఏమా?
0, 0 and 1, 0.
సో 0, 0, 1, 0. సో ఈ రెండు గ్రూప్ చేయాలి. ఈ రెండు కాలమ్స్, ఈ రెండు రోస్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం. మనం ఇంకా 1 రాయలేదు ఇక్కడ, బట్ ఫస్ట్ రోస్ ఆర్ సెలెక్టెడ్. సో ఏ రోస్ లో ఉండాలి అనేది ఈ రోస్ లో ఉండాలి. ఏ రోస్? దిస్ రో అండ్ దిస్ రో. ఫస్ట్ ద రో is selected here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The columns has to be selected, right? So row select చేసినాం, కరెక్ట్. కాలమ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో కాలమ్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ?
CD, sir.
సో ఈ కాలమ్ లో ఈ రోస్ లో ఉండాలి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాలమ్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాలమ్ హియర్. సో సిడి లో ఈ స్పెసిఫిక్ రోస్ లోనే వన్స్ ఉండాలి, అంతే
Okay,
కదా?
sir.
ఓకే. ఈ రెండు గ్రూప్ చేయాలి అంటే నేను ఈ 2 రోస్ లోనే వన్స్ పెట్టాలి. క్లియర్?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So this is the final thing here. So now what we have to do? We have to do the grouping here. Okay. First possibility, go for a quad. Okay. So what is the term here? So quad was same vastundi ikkada. So what is this term here? So what is the row term?
AC, sir.
AC,
AC,
sir.
sir.
This row term is A, and what are the column terms?
And then C.
Grouping these two. So this is C. So this is the first one. Okay. So what is another quad possible?
2, 3, 10, 11.
2, 3, 10, 11.
So 2, 3, 10, 11. So this is the second quad here. Okay. So 2, 3, 10, 11. So what is this value? So what is the row term?
B bar.
So what is the row term for this? So row term for this is B bar. This row and this row. This is B bar. So what is the column term?
C.
C, sir.
The column term is C. So we have 2 quads here and 1 pair. So this one and this one. So 0 and 2. So 0 and 2 will form a pair. So what is that pair? So what is the row term?
A bar, B bar.
A bar, B bar, sir.
Yeah. So A bar, so B bar, and these two columns here, these two columns low 0, 0 and 1, 0. So it's a D bar. A bar, B bar, and D bar. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah. So don't get confused. So confusion వస్తుంది, but చెక్ చేసుకోండి, 1 or 2 times చెక్ చేసుకోండి. సో ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు. Right? And so we'll check the next one. That is AB plus A bar BC plus A bar B bar C bar B. Okay, so it may be quite simple because so మీరు రాయండి, మీరు చేస్తుండండి. So first of all, drawing the Kmap is the important thing. So drawing the Kmap, మీరు ఎంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా మిన్ టర్మ్స్ అని మెన్షన్ చేస్తారో you'll get the half of the answer. Okay, this is AB and this is CD. 0 0 0 1, so 1 1, so 1 0 0 0 0 1, so 1 1, sorry 1 1, and this is 1 0. Okay, so what is the first term here? AB. AB ante manaki quad form cheyali. So two elements miss ayipinayi, we have to form a quad. So it is only the row term. So where we get AB here? So this is the one here. So no columns because CD term em ledhu. So ante column terms anni 1 undali. So whole row is selected. So that is AB. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sir. And next, we can go for the last one here. So A bar, B bar, C bar, D. So A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Enter. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, 15. So what is the last term here? So it is A bar, B bar, C bar, D. It is 0, 0, 0, 1. So min term 1. So this is 1 here. So there is A bar, B bar, C bar, D here. 0, 0, A bar, B bar, C bar, D. This is C bar, D. Okay. So this is 1. And we have 4 ones here. Okay. And A bar, BC. So A bar ekkada ostundi manaku, A bar B ekkada ostundi. So what is the row term here? Row term is A bar B. So where is A bar B?
0 1, sir.
So this is A bar B. Okay, and we have to form a pair here. So C ekkadi nunchi ostundi manaku? So C ekkadi nunchi ravali? So C should be, so C ekkada undi manaku?
1 1 1 1 1 0, sir.
So 1 1 1 0. So here we get a C. So grouping this two will give a C here. Okay, so this is this two. Okay, clear? So these are the min terms here. What are the min terms here? So 1 comma 6 comma 7 comma, so 12 13 14 15. So these are the min terms for this equation, and we can form two quads here. This is one quad and this is another quad, and one term is no grouping, so that is a separate one. So what is the first quad answer?
BC, sir.
So this first quad
BC,
answer is AB. So this is the first quad answer, and this quad, so this is the second
BC,
quad.
sir.
Second
BC,
quad
sir.
is nothing but,
BC.
it's nothing but BC, and the last term is same. So A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So no need of this third one. So third one we'll discuss later. And the last one. So we'll check the last one and we'll stop the class. So draw the Kmap. This is AB. This is CD. 0 0 0 1, so 1 1, so 1 0, 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, sorry, so 1 0, 1 1. Okay, and these are terms here. So 0, yeah, we'll check that later. So what are terms here? So we'll check for A here. So A epudu vastundi manaku. So when we get A, I mean A B C D lo only A maatrame vachindante, we definitely need an octet here. Okay, so we'll definitely need an octet. So because the three terms are eliminated here. So 3 terms are eliminated. So we have 3 such kinds here. Okay, so A ekkada vastundi, A rendu group cheste A vastundi manaku
1 1 1 0.
1 0, sir.
1 1 1 0. So
1 0.
only we have to get A here. So we have to get A. So no column term here. So group these two. We'll get A here, and all the columns are selected in these 2 rows. So because we need an octet to eliminate 3 literals. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So where we get a C bar. So C bar ekkada vastundi manaku. So this is C bar D bar. This is C bar D. Okay. So you rendu columns ni octet vaste. So there is no row term here. So all these columns are set. These 2 columns are selected here. Ante kada. So C bar రావాలి అంటే.
Yes, sir.
So ఇవి ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నాయి. Okay. Next D. So D ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది మనకు?
1 1 and 0 1, sir.
So 1 1 and 0 1. So these 2 will form a D. Okay. అంటే ఏంటి? So this is the one here. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the min terms. Okay. So min terms ఎలా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి? So 16 possibility లేదు కాబట్టి we have to go for 8 here. The first one. So what is the first one answer? So this is the first one. So what is the answer of this?
B bar C bar, sir.
ఏంది మా C bar? Octet ఇక్కడ.
C bar. C bar, sir.
C bar.
C bar,
C
sir.
bar.
You have to be attentive, right? So this is no row term here because all the rows are selected, and this is the one here, so it is nothing but C bar. And next octet. Okay.
D, sir.
This is the second octet.
D, sir.
It is nothing but ఈ octet ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ మనకు. So what is the value I'll get here? So this value is
D, sir.
D, sir.
it is nothing but D. Okay. And what is the next octet we can select here?
Eight, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
This
14,
octet I
15.
can select, right? So this one. Okay. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this will form.
Yes, sir.
This will
Yes,
form
sir.
A. Okay, this will form a A. So A, D, C bar. ఇంకేం పాసిబిలిటీ ఉందా? సో అన్ని కవర్ అయిపోయినాయి కదా? ఏం కవర్ టర్మ్?
సార్ మీరు ఏ బార్ బి మిస్ చేశారు.
సార్
A
ఏ
bar
బార్
B లో
ఏ బార్
M6 1 వస్తుంది,
సార్.
sir.
ఏ బార్
A bar B
కూడా
రాలేదా?
వస్తుంది సార్.
M6
ఏ బార్
1 వస్తుంది, sir.
A bar B మిస్ చేసాం కదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
యా ఓన్లీ 3 రాసాం. A bar B మిస్ చేసాం. 1 minute. సారీ, వెరీ గుడ్. So A bar B. So where is A bar here? So A bar ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది మనకు? This is A bar B, right? This is A bar B. So all the rows to be selected. So we'll get an additional 1 here. We'll get an additional 1. So ఏం చేసిన నేను ఇప్పుడు? So I can group one more octet here. So this is one more octet which is covering this one. అంతే కదా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and these 2 rows here. So these 2 rows లో ఏమొస్తుంది మనకు? So A plus A bar is A. It is
B, sir.
we'll get a Okay, the final output expression is A plus D plus B plus C bar. So this is the final sum here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is how we have to do the minimations like this. So Kmaps. So next class, what we'll do, we'll go for the sum of the product of sums. So ఒక 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మాత్రమే చూద్దాము. సో Kmaps కూడా కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది దానికి. సో ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై చేసాము, అక్కడ విల్ డూ ద డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్. సో రోస్ ఇంటూ కాలమ్స్, దే విల్ డూ ద రోస్ ప్లస్ కాలమ్స్. ఓకే, విల్ డూ ద రోస్ ప్లస్ కాలమ్స్ దే. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ రోస్ ఇంటూ కాలమ్స్ చేసాము, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తామంటే రోస్ ప్లస్ కాలమ్స్ చేస్తాము. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై చేసాము, బట్ ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తాము. ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ఓపి లో ఇక్కడ 1s తీసుకుందాము, అక్కడ 0s తీసుకుంటాము. యు నో దట్ రైట్?
Yes, sir.
సో ఓన్లీ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఒక మోడల్ మాత్రమే చూస్తాం. సో ఒక ప్రాబ్లం Kmap లో, ఇంకో ప్రాబ్లం వేరే మోడల్లో. సో 1 or 2 ఓన్లీ. సో ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ విల్ కంటిన్యూ విత్ ద అదర్ టాపిక్.
Okay, sir.
Right? So we have fit 2 more topics only, the tabulation method, and that will take around 3 classes for 1 problem. Okay, so tabulation method artham kavalante, because I definitely need 3 classes for 1 problem. Okay, and afterwards NAND and NOR realizations, it will take hardly 2 classes for understanding and practicing 1. So within this 3 to 4 classes or 6 to 7 classes we'll finish this. Okay, so ee week lo ayipovali unit, so that finishes you will be your first unit. So that will be end of your first unit.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, and this unit is very very important because next units anni kuda meeku ee units to meede depend untadi. Okay, so మీ Kmaps గానీ లేకుంటే వేరే కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఏమన్నా కానీ, సో మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్ అయిపోండి. ఓకే, సో యువర్ క్లాస్మేట్ మే స్టార్ట్ ఆర్ మే నాట్ స్టార్ట్. సో మీకు నవంబర్ నుంచి క్లాస్ వర్క్ అంటున్నారు. సో వీఆర్ నాట్ షూర్ సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద గైడ్ లైన్స్ ఏమి ఇస్తారో తెలియదు, బట్ యువర్ ఓన్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మీద నేర్చుకోండి మీరు. ఓకే, సో డోంట్ ఇంకొక 2-3 months అయిపోతే ఇంక 1 year వేస్ట్ అయిపోయినట్టు మీకు. డోంట్ మేక్ దట్ ఇయర్ వేస్టెడ్. So make that year count, right? At least a few months, right? Fine.
Okay, sir.
So drop your attendance and see you tomorrow. Okay. So most probably tomorrow, and if there is any afternoon class, I'll let you know. Okay, because our product of sums ఒకటి ఉంది, సో అదొకటి కంప్లీట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. చూస్తా, వీలైతే half an hour తీసుకుంటా. Right? So see you. Yeah, drop your attendance.
Okay, sir.